Hello, all. We are back again. Haven't been on much long because we missed one trade last week, which I didn't take. It was actually this right here, as you can see on oil. I was looking for this short right here, from here to I think it was there. See one, two, three, and then we fell. And I was looking for this, but we missed it, and then I didn't take any other trades on this account. It is still same account, guys. 940. Haven't changed. Haven't taken a trade or anything. But we're back. We want to take a trade today. I do like it. Just make it a little bigger so you can see everything. I'm looking at oil longs. We just opened up. It's around 6:10 p.m. I'm looking at longs. As you can see here, we have one. You have basically just two and then three, or three here. But regardless, yeah, here we broke. This was before market closed around 4 p.m. or so. This is where I would have taken a long here and I would have just waited. As you can see here, your stop loss is over here, breaking this. So anything below here until it touches, this is somebody asked me, was a good question about wiggle room. So if I take the trade here, right, and it goes all the way here and then it rebounds, if I take a trade anywhere here, it's still valid, because if I take it here and it goes down, I'm going to be in red this whole time. But if I take the trade, like if I see this and let's say instead of going from here, it goes all the way down here to the line, and I take the trade here, my stop loss doesn't move. It's still going to be once this breaks. But I'm just getting a better entry. But because it did complete the three different tasks that I needed. It needs a week's worth of data. We have a breaking, closed above on the hourly. So everything here is still, now this could obviously go ahead and climb and plunge and hit our stop loss. That's not our problem. Our problem is that we did our tasks and we followed our rules. So anything here below, like right now, it's above where we would have taken the trade. But I'm still like it because it's still above here. It hasn't broken in. I'm looking for this. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and take one.
Order filled.
There we go. My stop loss will be kind of this low right here, breaking of this, but I'm put it here around $89, which isn't bad. I like that a lot. The risk is not. Remember, our job is not to just make money. Our job is to manage our risk, and that took me years to realize. And one thing you need to understand, and I hope people can understand this who are new to trading, is that we don't know where we're gonna take. You've seen it so many times here. So I say I want to take my profit right here. Does that mean I want to take here? No. Sometimes I might take it here. I might take it here, depending on what we're doing. I don't know where I would love to take it here or even up here. I would love to, but I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna take profit. Now, in other strategies, you clearly know where you're gonna take your profit. In our strategy, we don't. But I know exactly how much I'm going to lose. The max amount I'm going to lose is $90. And that is managing a risk. That's the most important thing that I've learned. It took me forever to learn. And I hope that if you are listening, this is what you need to learn. This right here. This is important. I am risking this. I'm okay with taking this loss. If this just goes like this, boom, done. Because this is what I'm willing to make to risking this. And that is more important. Because this could go like this right now. News comes out and this could just go straight up and go up 20, 30 points. And we'll take a profit here. It doesn't matter. But what we care about is this right here. Playing defense. And that's how you stay in a trading, not blowing up accounts. And you've seen it. We've had two instances in this account where we've been very close to blowing ourselves up, or we had very terrible days. Two different instances. So we are back again. I'm hoping to make these $60 to break the 1,000. So we're gonna take our first payout. We've had this account for around 10 months, guys. So I'm really hoping that this works out. We can get our profits. What's $60? So $60 is basically this high. I would love to really get this. I'm gonna put it right here. I really would take it here. Honestly. But again, it's a marathon, guys. It's not a sprint. I'm not hoping to. If I don't make $60 here, if I take a loss, then so be it. That is okay. Okay? I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to come back, and then we'll go ahead and see what happens overnight, where we are. We'll keep moving our stop loss, depending. If we make a new low, move our stop loss up. And that's all we do, guys. That's all trading is. There's nothing on NASDAQ going on that I really want to do. We dropped when we opened and haven't really done much. Today's Martin Luther King Day, so it was kind of a crazy day. And then gold, new highs on gold. It's crazy. I am looking at gold at this. I don't know when you'll see this, but I am looking to short gold. As you can see here, we have years from December 31st, and you have 1, 2, 3 now touches right here. So this is a great setup, guys, for shorts. For me, especially, you have 3 touches with almost 3 weeks of data approaching it. So once this breaks and it closes, I would love to short this. With some weight on it. So that might be the next trade I'm looking at, guys. So it might take a little bit for this to come back up and go down and then break, but we'll see. But that is what trade I'm looking at. But for now, we're just gonna stick in oil. That's our trade right now, up $1. Hopefully we can come back, and it will be we'll be able to hit this, guys. So we'll see you soon, guys. Bye now. Hello, guys. We are back. Let me get settled here. It's around 8:10 in the morning. Let me make this a little bigger. We're up on our position. There we go, so you can see it a little better. Hopefully, there we go. So we took the trade, as you remember, last night, and it kind of just dangled on forever. Then we kind of fell all the way down. Remember, this was our stop loss break of this line, and I did have to give it an extra breathing space. But yeah, now it's really pushing now. We're up around $50. I think we actually did hit $60 when it hit there, so it would have been nice to take the profit. But I'm actually going to go ahead and put it here, since this is the new, it's a higher low. You know, it was here, then it made another higher low here. So that is our stop loss now. Looks actually going up there now. So now I am going to move this all the way up here to this low right here, which is break this line. So around 68 risk now. So we're lowering our risk now, and we're hoping that this could keep going. I really hope this breaks this right here. See, you have this resistance right here, and this would probably be next where we're probably gonna take profit, somewhere around here. You see, this is where it's trying to get in, and then it stopped, and then here it's got some, so 133 or so. Obviously, I would love to see here this resistance all the way up here, but that's a tough one. But I'll keep it there for now. Obviously, if we can get anything in this range right here, I'll probably take profit, so we can go ahead and look, we're at basically 1,000, and we can take our first payout, guys. So that's gonna be great. I know that we have been higher than this before. We were at 1,400 at one point, but then we stumbled and we came back down. So I really want to take some profit after a long time, just to get something into the accounts, you know, to really make this whole thing that we've been doing worth it, to show everybody that we can do it. To what the NASDAQ is doing, as you can see, it's drowning. Let me see. You can't even do anything there, because it's just, yeah, we just gotta wait to see. This would have been a great, after here would have been a great short. Yeah, right here. If you took short right there after it broke right there, or even here, you would have waited a little bit, and then if you were able to hold on, I mean, you would have been swimming now, but no problem. Gold, again, higher. Wow, 47.30, this is crazy. But again, this is what I'm looking at, to short this once it comes down. It might take a week, it might take more days, but that's the goal, guys. But for now, back to oil. We like it here. Keep it going. Hopefully we can jump up here and we can make some profit. I mean, our risk now is a lot lower, so that's what we like. And we'll go from there, guys. I'll most likely be on my phone the rest of the day, and this will be the only trade. All right, we'll see you soon. All right, guys, so we are back. As you can see here, we just blew up. 9:30 market open, and we are ready to go. Go ahead and close this. Take my profit, guys, $100, and we'll call it a day here, guys. See you tomorrow.